Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Pearl and I am going to be doing, December 18. This is a few pictures of my kids at exhibition. They go to a charter school where they do project-based learning, and exhibition is when they get to show the audience, parents, instructors, visitors, guests, what they learned during that quarter. So my son Dax here did a project called I Am, and then all these descriptions, they learn about different cultures and all of that. So he did that and drew a picture of his family because he is part of the family. And then my other son, Christian, they did a project about Mount Everest, persevering and all of that stuff. And then they wrote a freedom prayer. So those are on the flags there. As part of his project, he also talked about the pollution and the litter on Mount Everest and how it's getting worse every year. So I just want to put these in my album. Let me go ahead and cut this down. And then I have this number 18 that was die cut when I went to the December Daily Divas prep party. And so I'm just going to do one page with each kid. I'm going to put that 18 on a journal card. I think I'm going to put my youngest son here first, this there, and I want to write exhibition. I'm just going to use my Copic marker 0.5. It's a multi-liner in cool gray, and just document about my son's exhibition. Okay, so I wrote Uni's second grade exhibition was an I Am project. It's a reminder that he's a great speaker. I forget that he's only in second grade, but he's very eloquent and speaks well to adults. And I'm always surprised by that. I don't know why, whenever I go to exhibition. Part of it may be that I'm listening to the other kids talk as well. But this kid scares me a little because he's so smart. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. This is a picture he drew of our family. I asked who this guy was, and he said that was just some guy. That's his dad, him, his second brother, his oldest brother, his baby sister, and that's me. Fun, right? So I think I want to add a little embellishment to this. I think I'm going to put this Christmas tree there. So I'm going to use my Tombow Mono Multi adhesive because this works on a variety of surfaces. And let's see, do I want to add anything else? No, I guess I'll just leave this like that. I got to remember to try to keep things flat because my book is so big. And then on the back side of this, I'm going to put my other son's freedom prayer, and that I'm going to do that. So let me go ahead and stamp the date there. And this was December 18, 2019. And I'm going to use my VersaFine in the Onyx and stamp that right onto here. Journal a little bit about Christian's exhibition. Okay, so I think I'm going to add that there. I want to add some more things. Joy. I think I'm going to add some of these snowflakes. And I want to add something there. I'm just going to write joy. And make that into a triangle so it's visually appealing. And then, oh, I wanted to use this one. Let me see if I can take this off without ruining the picture. Oh, this is not repositionable. All right, I think I'm gonna call this done. I think I just want to add a little something here. So I'll add a little red paper clip and maybe just some some tags. I think I'm just going to add them like this. Okay, I think I'm going to call that done. So that's simple for day 18, trying to keep it flat. So for days 19 and 20, I just printed out a picture 6x8 This one is my daughter at the pediatrician's office. It's not the holidays around here unless one of my kids gets sick. And then I took a picture of the adult Christmas tree. So we have this Christmas tree, one tree of just all my kids' pictures every year since they've been born, and then Kaya has her little tree. So let me go ahead and cut these out. I'm gonna make these pretty simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on this one. This is gonna be day 19. I want to journal on here somehow. How should I do this? Okay, after all that, printing these out 6x8, I decided to go another route. I printed them out in 2 3x4s on a 4x6, and I'm gonna use this. So this is something I made at the December daily prep party. We cut up, well, Laura, God bless you, we took a bunch of the Starbucks cups and punched them out using this hexagon paper punch. And then I have post-it notes here for where I want to put some pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and punch out some pictures and put them on here. Now, my kids are known for getting really high fevers, and I'm a nurse by background, so I don't really freak out when something like this happens, but I know other people freak out. It wouldn't be the holidays unless my kids, somebody got sick. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to put these in place of these sticky notes. So 1, 2, 3. And let me just go ahead and adhere these down. I wonder if this will, I better use this. I'm going to use the Tombow Mono Multi to make sure it sticks on the transparency. I'm loving this page. And then here, I'm gonna just cut out, yes. So I'm gonna cut this right there. Do I wanna do that? Do I wanna put another Starbucks one there? I brought back some extra Starbucks hexagons. I think I'm gonna put that there. No, that's not from the Starbucks cup. I think that's from the Ali Edwards kit. I think I'm gonna do this. Let's see. If I put it down. Oh, I cut it wrong. If I put it down like this. Yeah, just gonna do that. And then I want to put the number 19 right around here somewhere. I'm going to use these puffy stickers from the Felicity Jane kit. That's my 19. I guess I could put some embellishments. Let's see what I have. So that's my day, 19. I'm gonna let this dry. Okay, I let this dry for a little while. Let's go ahead and work on day 20. So this is what that looks like. And while I was waiting for it to dry, I went ahead and punched some holes of some of the ornaments that I have. They're just some glass ornaments on my adult Christmas tree. I think I'm just gonna add them like this. I think I'm gonna use this, put that on there, and then cut off the excess. And then I'm gonna put 20 there. And then I wanted to put a picture of my Christmas tree, so I decided to go ahead and print it out in a 3x8 and put it just in a 3x8 photo sleeve. So I'm gonna put this opposite that page with the number 20. I'm going to fill some of these. I think I'm going to put that sleigh. And then put Christmas right there. There, and I'm going to call that done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this process video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, which is simplypearl10, and I'll see you next time.